Hey guys, Coop here, coming at you with a quick tip today. I've noticed on Facebook that a lot of people talk about their handles that hold their cups on their turners, whether it be footballs or fun noodles, will fall out of the cup. They shrink when you keep them in the 20-ounce cups for a long period of time. They will take the form and the shape of the 20-ounce cup. Therefore, when you go to put them in the 30-ounce, they tend to wobble and fall out. And you definitely don't want this happening when it's turning and it's full of wet epoxy. That would just ruin your day and make you cuss and scream and cry. So I've come up with a tip. This is what I do. I tried the shelf liner. It only lasts for so long. I tried the duct tape. The only thing I didn't like about the duct tape is it would leave residue, sticky residue inside my cup, because over time, pulling this in and out, it will roll the sides of the duct tape, and eventually you'll have sticky junk left in your cup. If you want to use it, it's fine. You just have to make sure and clean the cup when you're done. But this tip requires no glue, requires no shelf liner, no duct tape. Basically, you take your handle, you stick it in the cup, of course, push it all the way down. I take a small fun noodle, one of the small ones, and I cut about a 2-inch piece, and then I cut it in half. Take 2 pieces, stack them together, put them on one side. Turn your cup around. Take 2 more pieces, do it on the opposite side. Now you have 2 gaps. You just fill in those gaps with your little pieces. Push it all down, and now it's not coming out of there. It's staying on there just like as if it was a brand new fun noodle. The thing I like about these is because everything is below the lip of the cup. So that means that when you're turning this, if you do cups that have epoxy running over the edge, it's not going to glue it to your handle. A lot of guys are using stoppers, which there's nothing wrong with that if you guys don't mind epoxy getting on them. But over time, when epoxy gets on them, they're going to be hard to deal with. With this method, there is nothing above the lip. So, and if epoxy gets on one of these little fun noodles, you just throw it away and use another one. You don't have an $8 or $9 part from Lowe's that you have to replace. But if you guys use the plugs, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with them. If you like them, use them. This is just a cheap and easy way to use the fun noodles that will work. And like I said, they don't come out, but when you pull them out, they all just fall off. All right, guys and gals, that's my tip of the day. Hope it helped somebody. Put your comments and questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. I will put the links for all of the items that I use in my turner videos and in my cup videos down below. Like the fun noodles, you can get these at Walmart during the spring whenever things starts opening up for pool season. Right now, during the wintertime, I doubt very seriously you'll get them. So I'll put the link for the noodles down below in the description box here on YouTube. Excuse me. These you can get at the Dollar Tree, or you can get them at Walmart. If you don't have them in your Dollar Trees or your Walmart, you can get them on Amazon. I will put the link down below for these. The motors for the turners that I make, the wiring, the switches, all of that good stuff will be down below. If you guys want to make a turner, the links for the parts will be down below. PVC pipe you can get at Lowe's, Home Depot, just about any plumbing store, fairly cheap. So I'm not going to post links for that. Moving on, you guys all know we had social media sites up and running. All of the links for the social media sites will be down below. You can come over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you. And with all that being said, my friends, old Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out.